always soak the chickpeas overnight. It makes them soft enough to blend smoothly. Otherwise, the texture just won't be right. Then blend everything really well. That's what gives you that soft, smooth texture inside. The oat flour and psyllium really help here too. They give the dough structure and make everything come together. Also, let the dough rest for a bit. It thickens up, and that's what helps the rolls hold their shape. Add the baking powder right at the end and bake them straight away so they keep that lift.